भाई बहुत ठंड। Gotten everything. Let's deliver it. पट्टी आ रही है बहुत तेज यार।
सुबह सुबह ही
तो कब आती है पॉटी उसके अलावा?
ओए चेक करो बापियो पत्थर निकल गया पुंड दे बिचो इधे
View, let's have Naruto ramen. Let's go. Ouch.
और इधर से गोली हो जाएगी तेरी बंद।
Hi guys, can I come in? सारा उधर डाल दो ना। Somebody clearly had a very good night and they left us a fucking condom behind. Hi, welcome to Life Attack. This is my 5th week in the mountains of Manali, and yeah, this was a pretty daunting week because we had a lot of guests here and the work goes on and on and on. Managing someone's stay is not easy, guys. Do I enjoy this work? Not necessarily. Do I take it as my duty? Yeah. It's more about discipline and schedule than it is about enjoying work. There are parts of the work that I do enjoy. Okay, second thing, I have started dating somebody, which is pretty terrifying. I swear to God, it's the most terrifying thing that I've done. I haven't dated anybody for the past 7 years, so yeah, this is freaking me out. But she seems like the one, so you never know. I've had a couple of flings, this seemed serious, and God gave me a relationship after 7 years, and she's not in India, so I'm in a long distance relationship. We've met once when she was here in India, we'd been talking, now it seems like we decide to take a leap of faith. Yep, that's that. Let's see how it goes. She's coming here in January. Okay, let's get to the vlog. I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye. Hi, it's a bit sunny and I'm going down to get some clients because they're already here, and I'm also going to buy groceries. So standard 101. I'm hoping the clients are good. It'll be fun. Let's go. We're about to reach, and I've been noticing a lot of firewood. People are collecting a lot of firewood of late. I think we should be doing that too because winter is coming. Anyway, let's go get the clients. Sorry Didi, thank you. Manali's gotten clearly very crowded because I think the season's on. We have a lot of people coming up. We have to walk down like 100 more meters. I think I see those guys. Yep, they're the ones. Let's go say hi to them. It'll be strange. This is just strange. Get off! So we have gotten the groceries and here are the guests. Can you all say hi for a second? Thank you. And we're going up. Okay, they asked me the standard question. Kitna upar hai? Poor guys, they're not used to trekking. But yeah, let's go up. Alright, we're waiting for the guys. And she walks fast, so good for her.
Let's go.
Smart, that's a smart thing to say. Come on, walk ahead. Welcome to Samara, guys. Take a left to go up. Yeah,
And today here.
wonderful. You have to walk up a bit more. साथ ही लेके आऊँगा, that's the. हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ जी. All right, I think they're going to their rooms now. They will, and I'm going to deliver the groceries to Sahil. So I haven't gotten all the groceries because the guests were there. So I'm going to go down once again and get some groceries, and it'll be fun. I'm not that tired apparently, so yeah, good for me. So we're looking for cucumber, carrots, butter and glasses. Let's see if they have cucumbers. Yes, they do. Got 2 of these. Okay, carrots. Let me ask Boni how many carrots does he want. And that'll be half a kg carrots. So we also got 4 glasses, carrots and cucumbers in the bag, and I think we'll carry the glasses with ourselves. Okay, we have reached, gotten everything. Let's deliver it. Yes, I fell. I broke off one glass. And yeah, we'll have to go buy another. Cool, yeah. That's the broken glass, by the way. Rest all the glasses are fine. And fuck Sahil. Right, I'm taking these guys to the waterfall. Please don't do that, my girlfriend's gonna kill me. Apparently, you see that woman, she has lied to her parents that she's going to Haridwar. Wonderful, and these guys, I need to run and catch up to them. And we're about to reach the fall. मैं जाऊँ आगे? That's Shubham sitting there. Alright, I am showing them the waterfall. These guys seem pretty fucking happy seeing the waterfall, so good for us. It's about to fall. You guys want to see the waterfall? Let me show you the waterfall properly now. Okay, one of the best things ever since I've come to the mountains, and particularly Samora, is that it has a waterfall and I get to visit it plenty often. I absolutely love this place. We come here often, we just sit. Boni occasionally does his diary entry here. I just relax. Also, you know who's recording us? Shubham. You just keep showing middle fingers to each other. Like, look, show them. Yeah, I think I'm going to take these guys to the cafe after this. Ajay Shubham, how are you feeling about Samora now? Do you think it's going to work? Do you think we're going to get more clients?
Obviously, hopeful तो होना बनता ही है यार.
पुरानी प्रॉपर्टी से ज़्यादा मज़े करोगे आप यहाँ पे.
करने ही है, वो तो करने ही पड़ते हैं.
Back from the waterfall, I'm going to take these guys to Karma Valley Cafe. This is my favorite cafe. It's going to be fun. She has changed her shoes. And now we're going to Karma Valley. पहले खाने चलते हैं. Let's go to the मंदिर later then. मंदिर तो रात को 9 बजे तक. We're waiting for those guys. Apparently she's putting on some sunscreen, so that's that. Man, this is annoying. Tourists. Fucking tourists. We're waiting for them. So we're delivering this to the guests. Yep, let's go. Okay, let's go. Hello guys. Can I come inside? Hi, here you go. ये हम उन्हें onions दे रहे हैं apparently because they asked for it. So let's go. Oh, लेके आ रहे हो आप?
नहीं मैं तुझे दे रहा हूं साइड एक ग्लास ये क्या है निशानी है ऐसे है ना
I'm getting you glasses as well. Guys, can I come inside? Hello. Here you go.
Thank you.
Let me know when you're done. I'll pick all this up. Wait, we have more people coming up, so I am gonna go down and bring them. And they've been standing there for quite a while. God, it's gotten busier and busier. Shit. Those small catos. That's where they run, and I'm also running. Come on. Alright, these guys are here. We have Veer and his girlfriend coming up. Much like most clients, they're also tired. Let's go up. And we have a lot of couples coming up here. It's fun. Take a left and welcome to Samora. That's your tent.
Which one?
That one. Okay, I am gonna see you in a. यार हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री जो आपको इतनी सीमलेस लगती है ना कि आपको खाना मिल जाता है, ये है नहीं इतनी सीमलेस. इसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. एंड आई अंडरस्टूड दैट वर्किंग विद बोनी. चलो here you go. When guests are around, it's just about cleaning the plates and serving the food. Cleaning the plates and serving the food over and over again. Do I enjoy it? Not really. But do guests get happy? Yes. Do I care about it? Absolutely fucking not. Is it my job? Probably yes. Yep, we have delivered the food and yeah. Fuck, it's 8:30 and we have to serve some tea to guests and yeah, it's freaking cold. बहुत ठंड भाई, बहुत ठंड. In a party like a dirty party, dirty party. Let's see if Sahil is inside. Well, he isn't here, so we need to go look for him. Sahil!
लंट मेरा कंचो सो हंडियां डाल देते बहन के लौड़े सब.
यार साहिल बीड़ी दे दे यार. कर ले. Cheers. Guys, the sun's about to reach here. We can sit in the sun then. And the guests are also awake. And I need to poop, so that's that. My potty आ रही है बहुत तेज यार.
सुबह सुबह ही
तो कब आती है potty उसके अलावा?
खड़ा भी नहीं. जा
जा रहा हूँ.
भाई सुबह मुट्ठी जा रहा.
Jesus Christ, man, I need to poop. Holy crap. Shit. Fuck off, I'm not gonna take you in. Yeah. This is good. I'm gonna wash my hands now. Is that a fucking chemtrail in front of the sun? Who would do that? Why would you fly there? Alright, delivering food to Chitra.
अरे वो 2 चाय मांग.
Apparently she does not want breakfast.
उसको हमारी तरफ से इसका फोन आया.
दे आऊँ फिर चाय दे आऊँ.
चाय दिया.
भाई वो आ रही है. She is coming here. मेरा भी यही रिएक्शन था. प्लीज मुझे मत समझाओ, मैं भी जानना चाहता हूँ इसका क्या मतलब. Okay, just don't judge me because I look ugly, but yeah, I'm going to check the water tanks to see whether or not they're filled because Sahil is asking me to do so. So that's what we're doing. Let's see. Okay, yeah, this one's filled. Check this out. Here it is. And then we have the other tank. So this tank is for the rooms, and the other one, this is the other one. Okay, that's filled 1/4. This is for the rooms. Let's go down and tell Sahil what the status is. भरी हुई हैं दोनों. तो मुझे क्या पता, तू बता. आ तो रहा है पानी. ठीक है, ओके बाय. Okay, I'm going to the source again because the water just stopped running. So fuck that. Let's go. It's a long way up and I think Sahil is ahead. Let's go. Come on, I absolutely hate this. This is the part that I hate the most. And that's Sahil. I think we've done it 100 times, man. Fixing water, going to the source. यहाँ से हो रहा है fix नहीं? बता ना. हाँ हाँ चल 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 चल।
फटी ना तेरी, फटी ना।
क्यों फटी? चल 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 यार, चल जल्दी चल। Wait, my girlfriend's texting me, so I'm gonna have to stop here. Back at it, and we're going ahead. Ouch. Holy sh. चल रुका क्यों हुआ है?
देखना बढ़ता भाई सिस्टम।
सिस्टम पे सिस्टम, बार बोल सिस्टम। साले फोन पकड़ रखा है। बेटा रुक जा तू।
सिस्टम फाड़ देंगे।
सिस्टम फाड़ देंगे। Stop running, motherfucker. Jesus Christ, my girlfriend's texting me right in the middle of the mountains. Look at that, look at that. I cannot reply late to her. Yeah, impossible. Let's go. We gotta cross this and then we'll perhaps text her back. Fucking hell, man. Jesus Christ. I have done this half 100 times, I swear. Half 100 times we've fixed the water source. We'll have to find a permanent solution, but one of the times right we'll do that. Not now. Sahil, एक बार ये कर दे. चल 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 चल. He's saying that he hasn't had breakfast, so we should quickly go. And that's the water source. पता चली कोई प्रॉब्लम? सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, खोल रहा है। आई नो। अरे
भाई सांस भूल की मां तर क्यों सारी इसको हटा दे। देख
हटाता हूँ। सॉरी।
पानी कम हो रहा है ना सॉरी आपको।
गंदगी फंसी होगी। दिखाइए कोई लकड़ी वकड़ी दे यार। अच्छा ठीक है। Oh damn, we fixed it. Let me show you. Look at that. Water's running now.
से फंस गया कुछ
तो निकालना।
अजी लंडा मेरा यार। फिर बहन चू यार बैंड के लौड़े।
We're still fixing it. I think we have a lot of garbage in there. Look at Sahil's extra finger. चूची उंगली बुलाते हैं मुझे, चूची उंगली। हो तो गया फिक्स? नहीं हुआ?
प्रेशर कहाँ आ रहा है तेरे को दिख रहा है? देख ला।
एक मिनट रुक जाओ। तो अभी से कैसे लकड़ी ढूंढूं मैं तेरे लिए बड़ी?
नहीं तो मैं तोड़ के चला जाऊंगा। बंद नहीं है, पानी तो नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं।
ये चलेगी?
वो इतनी मोटी नहीं है, मतलब चाहिए ऐसी बट
पता है साइज में लंबी। So we're looking for a लकड़ी. I see it. Let's get some लकड़ी for साहिल. अरे आगे से पतली है साहिल। अच्छा ठीक है। मुझे भी दिख गई। And he found a लकड़ी।
आजा भाई।
गंदे शब्दों का उपयोग ना करा जाए।
किसी के पास 10 का नोट है?
उसका क्या करना है 10 के नोट? कह रहा है कुछ फंस गया है, प्रेशर नहीं आ रहा है अपेरेंटली। चल कर कर, इसे कहते हैं बिच पुआना।
बिच पुआया कभी
निकाल। ओ आ गया पानी आ गया। तो फिर अब क्या करना है?
मेरे को सुना और क्या फिर निकाल घुसा निकाल।
अच्छा ठीक है।
मैं तो वही कर रहा हूँ कब कब है।
अरे यार क्या बकवास है। कम ऑन। नहीं निकल रहा भाई साहिल। साहिल इज बैक एट इट।
ऐसे कर तू अंदर जा, अंदर देख पाइप निकलिए लकड़ी निकलिए कि नहीं।
ठीक है।
दिख रही होगी तभी आप।
हाँ हाँ नहीं दिख रही है। हाँ दिख गई। आया पानी? दिख तो रहा है पर पानी क्यों नहीं आ रहा फिर?
तो साइड कर उसको।
हाँ
तू तेरा हाथ तो कौन जा रहा है?
हाँ हाँ
मिट्टी साइड कर दे।
तू बस निकाल देना भाई, इतना नहीं, बस लकड़ी तक पहुंचा था हाथ। दिखा, चल मैं कुछ करता हूँ, रुक जा। Fuck, this is such an expensive jacket, man. साहिल अब हो गया है सही, पता है क्यों? We have the water running now.
ओए चेक करो बापियो, पत्थर निकल गया फुंड दे बिचो इधे।
चेक करो बाबियो। And the
लन ये फंस रहा है।
तो निकाल ना, फंस रहा है तो।
ओ पैर दी लन आ जाए हम सैम बॉक्सर दे कोड़ो वाला।
There's a stone stuck inside and we're trying to get it out. What a fucking hassle, man. दे लकड़ी दियो। कोशिश करता हूँ तो आई एम। हाँ दिख गया ये तो रहा। नहीं ये नहीं है ना भाई साहिल, दांत से खींचू। मैं बांध देता हूँ। ये तो ऊपर से निकलने लग गया पानी। For those of you who have seen my vlogs before, you know we were able to easily fix this source problem quicker. It usually took us 10 minutes. This time it took us an hour because there was something stuck. I think it was a wooden stick or a stone, and boy did it take us everything to fix that. Alright, we're going down. Let me show you the view though. Check that out, man. Check that out. And that's the fucking idiot there, Sahil. Hi everybody, we have a bit of free time and it's I guess 3:30 and we're going down to eat Naruto ramen and we're gonna wash our face now. Why Naruto ramen? Because I wanna try them and I'm not a fan of the anime. I've watched it but yeah, I'm not a big fan. And look at the soap I'm using. I've gotten dirt poor, man. Look at this. This is the soap I have to use to wash my face. It's called Santoor. Lol. Let's just wash our face, put on some sunscreen and move on. So I am going to be hanging my towel at Sahil's tent. Yep, this should work. And let's go down now. Just let me put on my bag properly. Let's go. Check out the view. Let's have Naruto ramen. Let's go. Ouch. The view, huh? अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे आवाज़ घट जाएगी। आपका क्या होगा जनाबे आली, वो का क्या होगा जनाबे आली। So this is the main Vashish temple and the Naruto ramen shop is there. So we're gonna walk there. Let's go. Apparently there's a lot of construction going on for this property. So this is the shop. Let's go up. It says it's on the 3rd floor. Yep, let's go. Seems a bit cozy. Okay, we're going up and this is the 1st floor. This is the 2nd floor. There's a 2nd floor, I don't know. Hello? हेलो जी, खाना मिलेगा? खाना मिलेगा यहाँ पे? ऊपर यहाँ नीचे लिखा था नारुतो रामेन शॉप. मैंने अंदर देखा नहीं. अंदर जाने का रास्ता है जी. I think we've come to the wrong spot. This is the way in, so we're going in. We have to take off our shoes. I've done that. Let's go. Seems like a nice place. Let me show you. Hello. नारुतो रामेन मिलेंगे? नारुतो रामेन मिलेंगे? नारुतो रामेन मिलेंगे? Yes. Listen, वो वेजिटेरियन है? वेजिटेरियन है वो रामेन?
नो वेजिटेरियन.
अच्छा, तो ठीक है, मैं कुछ और खा लूंगा. एक ऑमलेट, ब्रेड ऑमलेट हो जाएगा? Bread omelette. Do you have bread omelette?
No.
What do you have to eat?
Today, no.
No food? Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Alright, bye-bye. Thank you. Yeah. They have no ramen. They actually have no food. So I am going to Karma Valley. As always, my favorite cafe. Yep, let's go. Bye. Hanji. Thank you. Bye. Hello. चलूं मैं आगे? चलो आप चलो आगे. तो अब हम पहुंच रहे हैं कर्मा वैली. Okay, we've reached and they're playing Bohemian Rhapsody. Okay, I have shifted outside because it was too loud inside, and as much as I love Freddie Mercury, I can't eat in that much noise. And we've ordered bread omelette and some tea, so we're gonna have that and yeah, and enjoy the view and the sun. Man, the sun feels good. You know what, I have to call my girlfriend. She's gonna kill me if I don't call her. But I also have to shoot the vlog. Dude, life is always a fucking conflict. This is insane. Jesus, get off. I'm gonna put some sugar in. I'm gonna tell you what. Working here is kinda easier in a way that you're more motivated. Because of the fantastic view, like always. And yeah, since I want to spend my life here, I would, it doesn't bother me to, do hard laborious work like a labor. I don't mind that, but yeah, sometimes I do think about being in the city and doing a desk job, which I used to do. It never did satisfy me, but it is what it is. Yeah, want to check the view out? Here you go. That's what I'm looking at. That's the Seven Sisters. And there's the Peel Punjar range that side. I don't know what that mountain is. And that's Old Manali down there. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna call my girlfriend now. So see you guys in a while. I'm going back to the property because there's nobody at the property. Sahil has left for his driving classes. Boni and Shubham, I think they're partying or doing something. So I don't know. So we'll be going back to the property. Had my food, and yeah, Karma Valley is always a win. The climb kinda kills you. Okay, we are going to Boni's room, and we have to collect what I think his. Hey Simba, get in, andar chalo. Turn on the light. I don't know where do we turn on the light from. Wait, hold on, let's look for the light. Okay, there's no electricity. We have Simba here, so we have to get slippers. We have to get Boni's charger. We have to wait, we can't seem to find his slippers. This is just strange. Okay, we can't even find. We found the tablet. Yep, it's the tab. Let's just open this, so at least the poor kid. Okay Simba, goodbye, you'll have to stay here for a while. Bye bye. Stay. So apparently here are the slippers. That's where we have to take it. So I've packed the bag, we've taken the jacket, we've put the tablet and the charger inside, and let's now go down and give this all to Sahil so he can deliver it. Let's go. So I got the wrong bag, lol, and Sahil had to run back, which is because he didn't describe it the right way. So yeah, now he's going back, and I'm waiting here with the bike. So the idiot is back.
निकल रहा हूँ नीचे से।
Sahil, bye.
इसको तो डाल दे बैग में लोकेट।
Okay. I have to shop some groceries. I have to buy an egg tray. Fuck, I forgot. Yeah, shit. Let's get an egg tray. So don't worry, we just had to get eggs, and let's go. A quick update. Oh, we're not going up. First, we're gonna go meet Rohit. He runs a property here, and he wants us to make content for him. And yeah, we're gonna go meet them because he can be a potential client, and we can earn some money and chill at more cafes. So let's go meet him first, and then we're gonna go back to the property. Yep. Nobody's at the property, so that's that, but it's fine, I guess. Yeah, let's go. This is where his property is. I know it's a tiny lane, but yeah, let's climb it and quickly find him. I think his property is close to this hostel, so yeah. Okay, here's a fun fact. This is his hostel. I used to spend half my time here when I used to travel Manali earlier. Yep, but I think Rohit's property is ahead. Oh fuck, I don't think this is the way. I think that is the way. Let's go down again. His hostel, and we have to look for his property. Hi, what's up? Should I come up? कैसे हो यार आप? मैं आता हूँ अभी मिलने। यहाँ पे आप किसी मैं बताता हूँ आपको पूरी कहानी। यहाँ पे किसी रोहित की प्रॉपर्टी को देखा है आपने? रोहित की प्रॉपर्टी, रोहित कहाँ है वो प्रॉपर्टी, आपको पता है? रोहित शर्मा। चलो मैं आता हूँ, आपसे मिलने आता हूँ। Okay, they don't know where Rohit's property is, but man, if it's here, this is a beautiful fucking place. Jesus Christ, we're back at this hostel, and we're running out of battery, so we quickly have to run towards his property because we went the wrong way, by the way. Just had to let you know. So yeah, let's go. Alright, we ran out of battery, but yeah, this is Rohit's property, and man, is it fucking cozy. And that's Rohit. By the way, I just want to say hi. Yes, so namaste. Hey, we got some hot coffee. Look at that. Let's have it and have more discussion. Yeah, I was playing Arpit Bala type एक character play कर रहा था. Like अपने आप को कुछ pretend कुछ कर रहा था, and I enjoyed it. But then I was like, fuck it यार, I don't want to do it anymore. हो गया. तो
कर दे बंद इसको, ठंड लग रही भाई.
bad boys, what you gonna do when they come for you? So Rohit and I had a discussion on which I couldn't record because sadly we were I ran out of battery, but we had a discussion on as to how we can market this property. It's a very, very cozy, homely property, guys. I mean, I can't really describe it. It's beautiful. Okay, let's go. Here you go. Okay, here we are collecting firewood 2 at a time.
सभी लेके चले, दो मत उठा.
आ रहा हूँ फिर ट्राइपॉड ले आ रहा हूँ ना, यहीं पे पड़ा हुआ है, फिर सारी उठा के. ठीक है, तो तू आ जा, मैं आ गया वैसे 2 सेकंड में. Okay, the bonfire table is ready and here's our bonfire. Let's put them here and let's place the tripod. सारी ले आया? ओके, जा रहा हूँ. रुक जा, रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ तुझे. यहाँ फेंक दे. टड़ाड़ा टड़ा
अभी और बच गई हूँ.
पता है यार, मुझे उन पे कांटे थे. यस सर.
कम खाना तैयार कर देंगे.
हाँ जी.
कराएगा हेल्प साहब?
हाँ बिल्कुल यार, कैसी बातें कर रहा है.
बस
ये रख दे वहाँ
साइड
पे.
में रखें, मैं खुद आके.
डन सर. Let's do it भाई. Let's go cook food. चलो. Okay, so yeah, the bonfire is ready and we also have to set up speakers for the clients. I think they'll be coming in a couple of minutes. And yeah, this. Oh fuck, idiot. यार मत कर यार.
नहीं जलेगी.
अच्छा ठीक है, जला. And yeah, we're setting up the speakers and let's fucking go.
साथ में आग लगाने आती तेरे को लगाए?
नहीं.
देख.
Okay, hi guys. I hope you can see me. I'm peeling onions because yeah, we have to give food to the clients and we're making aloo jeera. So I'm gonna peel a couple of onions and potatoes. Why am I calling them onions? But yeah, let's peel them. We've already boiled them. Sahil here is cooking food and it is 7:30 and everything should be ready by 8:30. So we can give the food to clients by let's say 9:30. Yeah, whenever they ask for it. After the bonfire, most likely.
सारे शुभम ब्रांड ले बनाएंगे.
अब क्या करना है? क्या? कौन? क्या ले गया? कंट्रोलर ले गए? ओ सॉरी ब्रो, प्रॉब्ली एट नाइट. नीचे बैठ जाइए हमारे साथ. Do not speak to me. My girlfriend's gonna see this. Well, the guests want pakoras and I have to go grab potatoes now. Ah, fuck my life. आजा पकौड़े, जल्दी आजा, बाद में सिखाता हूँ. गाइस सॉरी यार, लेट हो गए. अच्छा, आप लोग को खाना कब तक चाहिए?
अब बस इसके बाद हम रूम में ही चले जाएंगे. आप हमें प्लेट पकड़ा दीजिए.
ठीक है, मैं आपको थाली दे दूंगा, 4 थाली. ठीक है ना?
और इधर से गोली हो जाएगी तेरे को.
Hi guys, can I come in? Here you go. The food. अच्छा guys, listen, साहिल पूछ रहा था how's the food and please tell us. यार मुझे सच्ची बताओ, पक्का ना?
Oh, hi, morning. It's 7:30. Sidba is here. We were sleeping in Bonnie's room. As I said, he wasn't here yesterday, so we had to take care of this kid. But the guests have to leave early, so I also had to wake up early. Now I'll go wake up Sahil and tell him to make some tea and breakfast for them. Let's go.
जय भीम।
चुप हो जा भाई.
चलो राधा.
नहीं पिला दिया ना दूध सुबह. You go guys.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. I'll give you ketchup. These guys are going. Bye guys. Bye bye. Happy trails. ध्यान रखिए अपना. मिलते हैं जल्दी.
बिल्कुल.
Bye. Cleaning rooms is the most unsavory part of this job. And somebody clearly had a very good night and they left us a fucking condom behind. Oh, fuck. I need to shower after this. We need to get some masks and gloves. This is disgusting. Yep. Hi, it's 9 o'clock. I need to vacuum my tent because it's pretty dirty and morning by the way. And yeah, and we also need to do our laundry today. We only have one guest, so hopefully we can spend a bit more time for us and less for others. But let's go. Okay, I got the vacuum cleaner. Start the cleaning. Okay, that's how my room looks. So it's gonna be a lot of cleaning. Okay, let's start vacuuming. Just let me get the wire. Okay, so that's done. Okay, let's get our things back. Let's put the pillows here first. That one and that one. Alright, let's put. What should we put? I think we should put our books on this. By the way, a lot of dirty clothes. Need to take them to get them cleaned. So this guy is infinitely better now. Yep. Okay guys, we're cleaning this, making a new pit. इसे डाल कहाँ डालना? सारा उधर डाल दो ना. बड़े हो गए समझ आता है इन्फिनिटली बेटर है पुराने गाने. मैं कपड़े धोने जा रहा हूँ यार, मैं खुद 10 दिन से नहीं नहाया हूँ, तू नहला।
अभी 1:12 हुई है।
अबे नहीं यार, मैं बहुत गंदा हो गया, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा यार, रहा ही नहीं जा रहा अपने साथ। ओके, वी विल पुट द टेबल्स इन अ व्हाइल, लेट्स वेट। ओके लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वी फाइनली गोना गो एंड डू आवर लॉन्ड्री। It's been what 15 days since I haven't washed my clothes. I've run out of all of them. We're gonna wash them. We're gonna sit at a cafe while the clothes are being washed. So by the way, we do have a washing machine, but it's at the previous property that got destroyed. So we'll bring it when the time's right, because it requires a lot of money to bring things up here. So when we have a lot of customers coming, we have a lot of clients coming, a lot of guests coming, only then we'll bring it so we can get other things here as well. Yeah, and now we're going to Sheshamji's place. He's the owner. He owns the land where we have leased the property. It's essentially his property, so I'm gonna ask him to please allow me to use your machine so I can wash my fucking clothes. Yeah. Okay, we have reached Sheshamji's shop, and I want to show you. Dude, this man owns half the properties in Manali, seems like it. Those are my clothes. And these are the washing machines. Okay, let's start. This is gonna take a while. So our clothes are getting washed, and this is the dhaba we're going to. Okay, this is what we're having. Let's try. Put my clothes in the dryer. Wonderful. So we gotta wait for 10 more minutes. Okay, bye. Thank you. इन्हें सुखाने के लिए डाल रहे हैं इन कपड़ों को. And we got 5 more clean underwears now, and that's amazing. Underwears are a blessing. Where do I want to put this? Let's put it here. Okay, I'm wrapping up the day. Oh shit. Anyway, yeah, I'm wrapping up the day. I'm just gonna chill now. Fuck off, guys. Bye bye.